my country people, we don't come again. Based on say myself, and I your way. And this is the strange broadcast. The strange broadcast as we take the talk and as they go. You understand? I not talk English today. Today I want to talk Pidgin normal level. Sure you get. And I want to touch some kind of matter with the talk for the country normal level. And today, no daily meeting. I take my guy, my small guy, or someone is set. My brother, what they play now? I they play for the level. Oh my man, no time for waiting we game. Oh my man.
First off, we can congratulate our football lover.
Based on the level, you know easy, bro. What is level? Where they have for Champions League now? Champions League now don't.
They open one.
Bros, you know say all those Barcelona now. They don't believe their eyes, they don't believe what they see. They don't believe at all, they don't believe. But thank God now, that level now don't show us anything please stop. Sure you get. Not even know they possible for this life. Just like this now, anything can happen at any time.
When I first hear say it first surprised me.
It shocked me now. It shocked me now.
I just pray make them do the same response.
Maybe say you don't understand. And they run now. They're not run now. Bro, we don't say one or two things there. I go like more touch light. Some kind matters again. We be say, you know, so we dey play for our country now. Because the truth be say, brotherly, wala dey. First, no, you dey laugh. First, I want more reason. This matter. This matter of first and what did it happen? How person go come now divide Emirates as a whole Emirates now you share into 4 places. What did they play? What did they happen?
The thing just dey sad. I know say na political game.
No, it's not.
Last they still won't carry their politics inside.
Traditional, you know,
Those two systems supposed to be
separated. You know, get the day where you go mix politics with tradition. You don't be like, oh yeah, we dey mix oil and water, red oil. The thing go, you go float, it go separate from each other. Na Johnson na. Because at the reason say okay, fine. People they talk say, Gandojina they try play am back. They try pay, say based on say you know want make Gandoji come back. Say na Kwankwaso in the so that kind of thing and all of that. Although na their personal battle, which you know concern us, but waiting I just want to tell kind of people now, say make them no go. You understand? Make them no allow politics to spoil the tradition of their papa. So you understand?
Tradition don't dey before.
It don't dey before, and all these people see Kwankwaso. So make them no let the level cast. If you cast now, you don't cast, bros. Because at the reason that people come to talk say na nemesis, say work against JJ, so everybody will work against JJ. Although those ones they get another point, but that one no be waiting person will come to talk now. Because the truth be say, it don't stop. Be say it don't stop.
Yes, sir.
And not be say now not be something we will come now. They are people. Yes. You don't be like say tradition all of a sudden. You don't understand. You know, as Britain big rich, they protect their tradition.
Yes, now.
You understand?
Those ones don't dey before.
Divorce. You know, if you tell me now, say to you, I mean, now go wake up now, talk say the queen now, say the queen of England and her seat now, say he won't divide her.
That makes sense.
Based on waiting now.
That makes sense. Even he get one as at no be yesterday. I see say even BBC sack one.
They sack one journalist now. Na better level.
How you go? He get some kind of joke.
Joke we say they know they play for outside. How you go come outside? You dey with the name person.
You carry.
As I see the news like this, I say, "Wa shock for luck for say these people they wear, they good go."
Carry
chimpanzee, they put. Na Justin. It's dresses.
And you dey work for the
company.
It
not make sense. What did they try preach to the outsiders as a journalist? What did they try preach? Which image they try preach? And if you something, some people see they support her.
No, some people feel say everybody gets freedom of expression, but
no.
Things we will not supposed to.
As a journalist, you're not supposed they do that. You know how sensitive these issues dey.
Sensitive issue. First off, picking them born, not be.
Let me the look.
Get the way we go come e get some kind way we nobody equate human being as
and
animal.
innocent. When I see the thing, it burst my skull, it burst my mentality.
No, it don't make sense.
Now Johnson, and I like what BBC do.
No.
They show the guy road, say
They
name
do
waka
the right thing.
based on making no cost for rent.
They do the right
Na
thing.
level, normal level,
do
you
the
know.
right thing.
So you see societies where they respect tradition, where they respect culture, where they respect, you know. But not only for each country, you know. Provided you get money, if you scatter anything, it's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be like that.
Because of
Ego,
pride.
pride, cheap political scores. We dey use and they scatter things.
All these things no make sense.
It don't make sense, bro.
I just dey feel for the people of Kano.
What are the reason now? Be say shey they don't get stakeholders for that state. Make them rise up.
I feel say since na bill and every other thing and he don't even give assent to am. They sit down reason the bill before they present am for the man.
Osanho, talking about bill, I hear say for that kind of so now, their lawmakers now, another bill now don't pass.
No be those one wey dey say dey give them life pension.
Life pension. Bros, wetin dey pay for the country? Why we say Nigerian politicians dey wetin dey happen?
We no get wetin we no dey.
Why you go give yourself life pension? Apart from that, you dey free medical treatment. So what's that?
What of people wey the thing no dey fair dey.
You no understand? And for that state now, some people dey now wey be say they don work, retire, they never pay them. Wetin
E dey sad.
you know say they wan try am for Bayelsa.
E no work.
Boys stand up say wetin dey play for the level. You no fit stop for Niger Delta now. You dey mess up. They go mess you up now. Now you carry am go that side now. You know, see issues that you know these people they no get the people for mind.
Everybody Nigerian politics.
You know, because
man know that
why
everybody dey come dey chop.
you think pay me when I see am because e no suppose be. E no suppose. We dey try to grow the country. We dey try to develop the country. You understand? Some people greed. You dey try. You know, look other countries. Where you go hear this kind of thing?
See how e dey happen for other countries.
Leaders dey try see
E
how
get
they.
some people wey dem go even go sef dem no go even take salary sef.
Number to you to
I
see
know
say
say-
things better.
I know say Nigeria dem go talk say politics local everything na for everybody side.
Okay.
Nigerian system e no good.
Bros.
The way we dey pursue money. I
Na mess up
understand,
na.
but we no still e get some things wey we no suppose dey reason.
At this point in time, bros, na 21st century we dey. We no dey 20th century.
Na true na.
Now the problem now no be survival. Most countries see wetin dey sup for China. China now dey try build their economy. They dey try move to the next level in terms of advancement and development.
Speaking about China,
We dey here.
I see one stuff about Dubai.
Serious.
Say Dubai wan build rotating skyscraper.
You can imagine. It burst your compass now. It go burst your mentality. Wetin dey want me for?
Rotating skyscraper.
Na what to you?
I go still go back make I go watch how
the
they
level.
wan dey run, but the thought of say people dey
See,
advance.
you know the reason. See wetin dey the reason.
They don go. Their thinking don
One
advance.
part our own we sit down for house. They think as we go take give ourselves politicians as we go take give ourselves life pension.
What of our
See the level.
our senior citizens dem wey dem don serve the country.
You no understand?
Or they go even their pension sef dem no dey see am.
They no say am collect.
They go line up, they go queue.
On top the job wey they don work.
Auction.
Oh Jesus.
Some go even faint sef, some go even die before they even take the money. Last they still no even.
See anything collect.
But our lawmakers go decide say they wan give themselves. They wan give themselves life pension.
My brother.
You know, e get some things make we dey re-evaluate ourselves, the way we dey reason for Nigeria before we go become laughing stock for other countries.
I will never turn to laughing stock. Wetin they want me for?
Before we go become.
When they say they laugh for, no be which day Trevor they use us they do joke. Now so they use us the knack joke now.
Trevor make no vex, na God go punish am.
My brother, don't be say God go punish am, but no be the normal level.
Okay.
In the talk wetin be life. Na truth in it. Everything wey they talk, a life for inside.
Sorry about I don't say these things.
No be say.
People no say God go punish am, but that thing as the guy too dey use Nigeria dey fight.
No, see, na go to take stand for market and they take price am.
No go.
You know, because if you look, you don't try hear news before. Sit down one day you hear news. From the headline they go down. You go just dey say wetin dey happen. Na comedy joke, I mean na news you dey hear like this.
I just hope say.
Above wetin dey sup.
I just hope say things dey change for the country.
But I need to change. You need to change.
Things will change with the country.
I hear say this guy, Tribuna, don't start. Atiku, this thing, Atiku.
Yes, so I hear that same one.
You believe say something if you come outside for the level, because some people now they look say, oh man, maybe bros, so it be like say this next level. They never swear next level, the other next level never enter. Some people now don't they super, don't they foot sand. Say things don't they cast anyhow. So it can't be like say Atiku go fit, believe Atiku go fit run the magic. Because me I feel say, for that election so. They know the truth never come outside.
Me I feel say if Atiku fit get all in fact.
Damn.
If he gets all the fact down, all the I should say at least some of all these evidence, if he be video, if he be all this kind of if he presents them.
I just say in get some kind of rules around the whole polling unit. We say they collect video coverage and everything we won't use for this thing. And even this case of say INEC electronic result database and all that way APC they deny. People don't the messages for our social media interesting.
I feel say Atiku. I just wish am good luck, sha. I wish am good luck. If the victory become young, I wish am good luck. But make the will of the people stand.
And be the
people level. The person wey the people want, make we no deny them.
Because it go cause wahala.
For me, I know who I go vote for.
Yes.
That's why I vote for. If it not be who you vote for.
Yes.
But as they carry this matter, go tribunal now.
Make the torchlight and well.
Make they see all the small details. Make they spend their time looking.
Correct.
The best way we win and make them win.
Correct. Even Adeleke, wetin na the way they talk for show for there. Although me I don't even know with this one wey be say tribunal go talk another thing, court of appeal go talk another thing. At all be, no be the same lawyers. I know if you understand. Wetin be the difference? As in, they're different.
I know say now only at this point now only lawyers now go feel law student now then now go fit torchlight this side.
Well level.
I feel say e get the way. If you say tribunal, I guess the way tribunal will see facts. The way they will see facts, they will make them declare say, now this particular person. But I don't understand now where lawyers
go they disagree
now
with
the
themselves.
thing, go be as if they disagree with themselves.
No be the same law they teach them.
Now the same law they teach. I know say everybody reason differently, everybody interprets law differently. But if you leave tribunal, come go appeal court, I know for me I don't see reason why we leave tribunal appeal. If we leave tribunal come go appeal court go come fall and say the thing no lack merit.
That kind of
Wetin
thing.
make the tribunal fair carry the thing say bam say this person win am. But we dey hope say now as the thing dey go Osun state we dey go Supreme Court. I just feel say make the will of the people stand.
That kind of thing.
Make the will of the people stand. Make them reason the thing.
Normally, so that make the one person wey people vote for me be say na him win, make for no cause quarrel, na him be the thing, make no cause quarrel at all. Last I go like thank everybody wey listen, wey just sit down dey listen to us. You understand? Thank you very much. Na so they take dey happen, na so they take dey do am once, just like that. Na myself and my senior bros, Osan, wey dey here. Bros, you like tell the people your handles, make dem follow you, make una reason together now.
Una follow me for SDOWELL25. SDOWELL25.
You know understand?
My Twitter handle be that. If you come, make we come just dey play, make we come reason together.
That kind of level.
No come, una no carry quarrel come abeg o.
Abeg, we no like quarrel.
We
no like quarrel.
We no like quarrel. Na fun, na
abeg.
Make reason.
Una fit still follow me at all for my social media handle. Can I always be? More reason, more talk.
Make una bring una own opinion.
If
you see our own, all the things so they talk na rubbish.
You know understand?
Tell us
carry on, come. You understand? More reason. Na so they say the reason.
Quarrel no dey.
You know understand?
Quarrel no dey.
Oya na, we'll see at all. Oya na.